Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. I've thought of posting these little videos for the last 100 days of this year. Actually 98 days are remaining, and I hope to keep you updated on the challenges I faced as an FMG return. I did my graduation from Turay State Medical University, Russia. Currently I'm working as a JR in Delhi, and a lot has happened in between, so I'm here to fill you in, to give you small little snippets of my life from time to time. I do share them on shorts, but I think on shorts we cannot connect as much as we can connect on the real vlogs. And yeah, so a lot has happened over the past 2 years. I came back to India, I finished my FMG exam, I got my registration, I got my first job, I started preparing for NEET PG, and the journey continues. So I would like to keep you updated on all the challenges, all the achievements that I face as an FMG student in India, because I know I inspired a lot of you earlier to go and study in Russia, and I just don't want the story to end there. I want you to know what happens after coming back. I think I owe it to you, and thank you guys so much for supporting me over here on YouTube. Because of you guys, I got over 100 barter collaboration on Instagram, and when I began this journey, it was just like a random day when I decided to make a random video and just post it and see what happens. And that somehow worked out, and it was a dream to get one PR package, and now I have over 100 PRs. All thanks to you for keeping me motivated to do this. And today in this video, I'm going to share short snippets of what activities I do in Delhi outside of my studies and work to keep myself motivated. Also, if you want to know how to build a good LinkedIn profile using Canva to design your resume, do let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to help you in that regard. This journey started in 2015 when I went to Russia after graduating class 12 to study MBBS. 2021, I came back, and from then on, I was pursuing internship from Dr. Arimal Hospital, and then I got my Delhi Medical Council registration, and ever since I've been preparing for my NEET PG exam in DAMS classes, Delhi Academy of Medical Sciences, and I've also tried to nail a job as a JR in one of the child psychiatry clinics of the town. Side by side, I kept on gaining followers on Instagram. It was a hobby, and I want to really grow there as well. So I got some barter collaborations where typically I review products and I get to keep the products in exchange. I really enjoy shooting barter collaborations on weekends, beside going to Tim Hortons for a cup of coffee now and then. This weekend I also went for this tufting studio workshop, and I really enjoyed myself. I live in Gautam Nagar. This is how my apartment looks, for which I pay around 15,000 per month, and I enjoy my Maggie and momos from time to time. Delhi is very close to ISKCON Vrindavan and Mathura. It is also close to Taj Mahal and a lot of other places like Nainital, Kanchi Dham, where you can go for weekend trips to relax the stress, or maybe just have a fun trip with your friends. Okay, so with that, I'll end my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the short update about my life and the few suggestions that I had about weekend trips where you can travel from Delhi. I think breaks are important, and Delhi being the hub of all tourist centers, it's a stone's throw away from so many tourist spots that makes it all the more convenient to live and work in Delhi. And yeah, so I'll come back with more updates. Until then, bye.